Welcome to the unboxing video of new Acer Aspire 5542G Gemstone series laptop. Now here you can see the packing is quite excellent, and here is specified all the numbers, model number, the serial number, and here you can see the configuration. It has boot up Linux, AMD Turion M500 2.2 GHz LCD, 15.6 inch. Best part, ATI Mobility Radeon HD 4570 with 512 DDR3 memory, and everything else is fine. Card reader, Bluetooth, webcam, table LAN, and 6-cell lithium-ion battery. Now I shall here unpack it. Oops, sorry, I unpacked it upside down. Now here it's how it comes in the packing. Here, noise recording engine, store specification for Leibniz OS, and here is the beauty, the new Acer Aspire 5542G. Here, upside down, I have a mouse box and charger wire. Meanwhile, it also had battery, but I had put on my laptop, and here it is. Here, warranty, passport, international travels warranty by Acer. Here's the model number, and here is the driver resource CD from Acer, and here I'm having just for starter guides packed within. You can see various languages supported here. So now let's start how beauty this laptop is. I'm going to boot it. Just wait for a minute. Here you can see this is the slider lock, most important part while we are traveling. Just I have to push it, and the lid comes up, and here is my new Acer Aspire 5542G. Here is the fingerprint reader, startup button, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and presentation button. Here is the shortcut P button, volume keys. I would say here it is nice keyboard having number pad, quite helpful while calculations, and also during the gaming. For example, like YCT have some functions from this nimble lock. Even San Andreas, GTA4 also, and here is its crystal optimized webcam. So let's start this beauty. Here it is, Acer empowering power burst screen. It's booting. It's come with Windows 7 OS. quite fast while booting. Here are the specs of this laptop. As you can see, Aspire. Sorry for the bad camera quality. I don't have expensive camera. But I will tell you what it's written here. It's AMD Tourbillon processor, ATI Mobility Radeon, 156 HD LED, 3GB memory, 320 hard disk, Bluetooth multi card and reader, DVD super writer, and here is a good sticker, or I could say it's not sticker, it's imprint here of Acer Aspire 5542T. So Windows has started up, and here I use my fingerprint reader. I swiped. I'm sorry. Yes, here it is. So have to do it slowly. Yeah, here the Windows has just started up. Here CPU usage meter, it's 12%. Here are the few gadgets which I've already added, and let's see the specs here. Here I've gone in the properties. Yeah, let's see here the spec. It has got rating of 5 in Windows Experience rating. Yeah, here it is. Sorry, 4.9. And first one is processor calculation per second, and the subscore is 5.5. The best part which I liked is the RAM speed, and the subscore is given 7.0, which is much more than the score which comes in Dell Studio or HP DV6 laptop, which cost around 20,000 more than this one. It has come with ATI Radeon HD 4570. So graphics score is 6.2, 4.9, same as Dell Studio, and primary hard disk rate transfer is 5.6, which is equal to Dell Studio laptop configuration, or the ratings of Windows. But I think it has got the edge over Dell Studio is the RAM score, which is around 7.0. So here we are. It's good for browsing, screen is good, its card reader is also awesome. And now let's see the very main function here, which everyone wants to see how games work in this on this laptop. And wait, I will show you the two more popular heavy games like GTA 4 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare.